These zoo books are made for children, but I've always found them very fascinating. They speak to the child in me who will always be alive as long as I'm alive. And one point that is made in this volume or this pamphlet is that in zoos, gorillas and people have been looking at each other for many years. When you look at these pictures of gorillas, this one and this one, that were taken in zoos, it's clear that the gorillas find us just as interesting and perhaps as amusing as we sometimes find them. And indeed, the gorilla right here is looking at a human with a kind of glint in its eye and a kind of small smile. And the gorilla down here seems to be having kind of a guffaw. So there is a question. Do gorillas laugh at humans? Do they think that the fact that we come to stare at them or gaze at them is kind of funny in and of itself? They probably do notice the resemblance between humans and gorillas. Do they think that we look kind of funny because of our relative lack of hair on our bodies? Does it look like we're kind of unprotected? Kind of bare and bald on our bodies? You know, or then again, just maybe the fact that we gaze at them and seem so fascinated by them might in itself be kind of amusing to them. So yes, I think it's very likely they find us just as interesting and just as amusing as we sometimes find them. And I also do think that part of the reason why humans are so likely to laugh at, at gorillas and chimps and bonobos and orangutans and monkeys is because we're looking at a very distant mirror. We're looking at creatures that aren't us, but they're so close yet so far away. Or you could say they're so far away yet so close.